I don't know how to do that. Madam ji. पूनम जी एक बार पीछे देखिए ना. दे दो. Look back. पूनम जी इधर देख. गरम गरम. So yummy. It's hot. But delicious. Look this side. This side. I have to go. I have to go. पूनम जी दिस साइड अच्छे से. It's so good. So good. You know what I tried? I tried this garpe. I asked my chef to make it. And the way he made it, it didn't taste right. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to stop somewhere. I'm going to eat it. I like this nervous. You guys have to eat this as well, yeah?
सबको लोग की होगी.
I'm serious, I'm not joking. Not the same one, of course.
सब लोग एक
छोटा वाला है ना.
छोटा. हाँ.
अरे वापस
Oh shit! Oh shit!
अरे हम लोग देखे नहीं. वापस एक बार. Once more. Take two. इधर आ जाओ भाई. इधर से मारो फोटो. हाँ. इधर देखो.
All go this side.
Can you see this side?
Solo. What? How are you? I'm good.
Even there are certain controversies going on Kalika that poster. We like to say something about that.
Actually, the book by its cover, so the movie could be anything.
There are many controversies going on. Just like recently, the girl, she is getting harmed because of tweeting something. The people who are doing a tweet on that, they are also getting harmed. What you would like to say about it? Now this Kali poster, before this, Nupur Sharma, like all such things are going on. Is it so it is right?
People will troll. I'm sorry, it's a very unfortunate thing for me to say, but people will troll. Now, but yes, people do voice out, like people will keep their opinion. They're gonna do. If it's good, bad, people are gonna judge you with whatever you do in life. You are gonna get judged anyway. So just do what you feel like is the best way to live. You know what I'm saying?
So today it's a rainy day, and in Mumbai there are so like everywhere there is a full of jam and all. But you are looking so gorgeous today as always, wearing your raincoat, and this looks something different. Your look is something different, and that pink, like the P one. What you would like to say about it?
This is one of my random looks from my wardrobe.
Thank you.
I like to style myself and I love it.
One selfie. You want one? Bhai jump.
Oh, video.
Puram. I'm an interview. उधर जी उधर उधर ला रहे हैं
Okay, gotta go. Thank you very much. What? What are you talking about? I don't understand.
Your signature step.
Your signature.
Can I enjoy this better, no? Alright guys. Gotta go.
This side.
What? Alright, love you.
मैं